taxi charges $2.5 for the first 2 miles and $0.85 for each additional mile. If a customer rides in this taxi for n miles, where n is greater than or equal to 2, which of the following represents the price that a customer must pay? So for the first 2 miles, taxi charges $2.5. And for each additional mile, they charge $0.85. So the price, let's say it's P, the price that a customer must pay is equal to $2.5 for the first 2 miles plus 0.85 times number of miles n minus 2. Let's say a customer rode 5 miles. Then for the first 2 miles, he paid $2.5. And for the next 3 miles, he must pay 0.85 times 3, which means the number here is 2 less than this number right here. So if he rode n miles, then this number must be n minus 2. Does that make sense? So the price P the customer has to pay is equal to 2.5 for the first 2 miles and 0.85 for the next n minus 2 miles. So this is equal to 2.5 plus 0.85 and minus 0.85 times 2, that's 1.7. So that's going to be equal to 0.85n plus 2.5 minus 1.7, that's 0.8. So the answer is A.